here with you all night.
So I've taken the ferry from Sorrento to Capri. It took about 25 minutes. I parked my scooter at Sorrento and it cost about €3 for the day. And the ticket to Capri cost €39 return. From here, I'm going to take the funicular up to the town of Capri.
Can you hear me now? Now, can you hear me now?
From Capri town centre, I'm going to take the bus to Anacapri. It costs €2 each way, and I got the tickets from the marina. From Anacapri, we're going to take the chairlift up to Monte Solaro and see Villa San Michele. Oh my god, that was amazing. The views from the chairlift were breathtaking. It took about 5-10 minutes and cost €12 for a return trip.
I'll be here with you all night. I'm getting lost in your eyes. I'm broken when you're not around. Unspoken words I'm screaming out. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me now? Now, can you hear me now?
Just come down from the mountain. It was so worth it. The views were amazing. It's a must-see on this island. I'm just going to have a wander around Anacapri and then head back to Capri for some lunch. After exploring the town of Capri, I've come to Virginiello to have a fantastic lunch with amazing views of Vesuvius. It was highly recommended, and I tried the scampi with linguine, octopus salad, fried squid and caprese salad. It was all really delicious. On a budget, this is a great place to stay. I'm staying in this farmhouse in Sant'Agata, which is about a 20-minute drive from Sorrento. It's got great views, really peaceful, serve breakfast every morning, and it costs £45 a night, which is a great bargain. The Airbnb has a locked space outside. You have a pool, a terrace, even a pizza oven, and there's a nice place to sit outside where you'll serve breakfast every morning. The only downside is that the road is very narrow and it's difficult to bring a car here, but I've got a scooter which is easy, and there are a lot of animals, so lots of dogs and cats, so if you're allergic then just be aware.